guys. So today it is a super fast video. I said that the last time I think, and it was like 14 minutes long, so it wasn't that super fast, but I think this will be super fast because I found a dupe, guys. I don't know why I'm clapping. I found a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Aurora Glow Kit. My dog is crying. Why? Come on in, Brutus. Come on. Looks like this, guys, inside. And I actually bought this at Marshall, so it wasn't too expensive. It was like $25, but I think it was $25, $24.99. But I did find something cheaper. So the dupe doesn't have, I don't think, all the color, and they're not exact, but they're so close, guys, that yeah, why not? So if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Paint Me Pretty Cynthia A, and if you're my loyal subscribers, hi guys, welcome back. I don't know if I did it like that. If you want to watch this video, then please stay tuned. Please stay tuned. Please stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm super excited. Now every color that's in here is not in the dupe palette, but there's some colors that are in the dupe palette, and I figured why not, because it's cheap to get it. So the dupe palette is the City Kit Urban Light by Maybelline, guys. Now when I first got this, I actually got this through influencer, and when I first got this, I'm like, what am I gonna do with this palette? Like, I have no idea. And then when I was cleaning, actually yesterday I was cleaning, and I bought this maybe like 2-3 weeks ago, and again I was like, what am I gonna do with this palette? I mean, it's a glow kit, but I don't go around using blue, purple, but then again I could put it on my eyes, but today I didn't. I just wanted to show you guys that there is a palette, the Maybelline, that has some colors in the Maybelline that Anastasia has. So I'm going to show you the ones that are in the Anastasia that the Maybelline one has. Orion, I hope I'm pronouncing this right. This one's like a bluish metallic. There's a greenish metallic in the Maybelline one, but they're pretty similar. Luna, it looks like the Maybelline has one, so I'm going to swatch the Luna. And Eclipse, it looks like the Maybelline has one as well. Spectra is also, they have a purple one in here, and then this one's kind of like a purple grayish. So they have a gray in the Maybelline as well. So let's swatch. Alright guys, so here I'm going to be showing you guys the first one that they're not exactly the same, because one is blue and one is green, but they still have the metallic look. So it's the Orion and the green one in the Maybelline palette. As you can see here, they both have that metallic-y look. The only thing is that one is blue and one is green, but besides that, guys, they have the same sheen. Actually, the Maybelline one has a little bit more sheen than the Anastasia one, but I didn't say that. Okay guys, so next I'm going to be showing you guys Eclipse, and Eclipse is the one in the Anastasia, and it looks like this, and I'm going to spread it out because the color in the Maybelline, you have to spread it out for them to look pretty much the same. This one is from the Maybelline palette. The Maybelline palette does not have any names, so that's why I'm not saying any names, because it doesn't have it names. But when you spread this one out, it looks similar to the Eclipse. Not exactly, guys, but it does have a similar look. Really similar, and they have that metallic look, guys. So I think this is a great dupe, you know, because it's pretty similar. Okay guys, so moving on to the color Luna in the Anastasia palette. It looks like this, guys. This is perfect, especially for someone that has fair skin like me. I would love to just put this on my cheekbones, like a highlight. This palette right here, you can use, the Maybelline one, you can use for your cheeks and your eyes. So yeah, I would use this color to highlight my cheekbones. I wish I would have did it today, but I did another video. Moving on, the next color that I want to show you in the Anastasia is Spectra, and it looks like this, guys. So it has like that purpley metallic look, and then the dupe in the Maybelline palette is a little bit more purple, but guys, it really is similar. That metallic shiny, oh my god, I love this color. This is like perfect for like your eyelids, or even putting a little bit on your lips. When you're done putting your lipstick on, you just put a little bit, like put it on your cupid's bow, or even just like in the middle of your lips. Oh my god, this is like a perfect color. Love it, love it, love it, love it. It took me a little bit to realize, hey, you know, I don't have to use it for exactly what it, you know, is saying to use it for. And plus, there's a dupe. There's a dupe. And I know there's more ideas, I just can't think of it, that you can do with this palette or either of these palettes. I was just confused when I first got this palette. I didn't know. So yeah, I still have to do a look with this palette. And that is it for my video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please thumbs it up, please comment, please do not forget to subscribe, and please follow me on my other social media, especially that I'm leaving to Florida. At least you guys can see what I'm posting in Florida. I'm going to post on my IG account, and you guys can kind of follow, you know, when I'm in Florida. So how many times am I going to say Florida? Alright guys, I love you guys so much. Bye guys.